So let's unbox this iPhone 16, the new iPhone 16. So we have the phone itself, we have the cables, the type C to C cables. I'm quite impressed with this one. Then we have the SIM card ejection tool. The cable is very good. Then we have the manual. We have the phone here on my left hand side. And here's the phone. So if you look at the phone well, this is the black colored one. We have the side button here on this side. We have the camera control here, also on the right side. Down here we have the type C cable. We have the built-in stereo speaker on the right, and also the microphone on the left. So then by the side we have the SIM card ejection, the SIM card tray here on the left side for the iPhone 16. Then we have the tray out. Then here we have the volume buttons here on the left. And the last one we have the action button. And up here we have the built-in stereo speaker and microphone. So here we have it for the iPhone 16. And thank you for watching.